Just acknowledge it, guys. I'm just going to represent that. I think this time you will be able to see. I hope. Oh, thank you. So please just stay back, stay attentive. We still have about 5 minutes, 4 minutes to go. Let the others join. Good afternoon, Tisha.
Good
Tisha,
afternoon, sir.
yeah. Right. Please stay back, guys. I'll get back to you at the scheduled time. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Kailash. So give it this at the scheduled time.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, guys. Shall we then give it a start? I think it's the time to 12:45. Well,
Yes, sir.
yes, guys. As you know, we just took up a discussion on for a change sentence reordering in the last class. As you see it on the screen, this was the PDF shared with you for the notebook work and future practice.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Shirsh. Everybody, once again, one last time. Good afternoon. So let's come back to the class. This PDF had, as you know, hopefully everybody must have gone through that one. Some exercises on sentence reordering and some exercises on sentence transformation as well. Now we are not talking about sentence transformation, so forget about that one. You know, it will also be useful, but just wait. Okay. As it is also useful, I did not actually cut them. Instead, I've just added them as well, but we are not going to discuss them or have a look at them right now. Our prime focus is now on only sentence reordering. That's it. And so there are, in fact, 4 exercises in each question. And there are 27 such exercises as you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, like this, there are 27. And the notebook work was for the first 5 exercises, 1 to 5. See, that means 4 from here, 4 from here, and 4 from each. So 4 5s or 5 4s 20. You need to just do the work of these 20 sentences in the notebook and to be submitted as per the instruction given. Okay. Now, have you gone through this?
Sir.
Just one moment. Just one moment. Have you gone through this PDF? Just a moment, please. Have you gone through this PDF,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Are you guys able to find
Yes,
that
sir.
WhatsApp group? So this is the notebook work for sentence reordering. As you know, we will be having the notebook work for every topic that we discuss, not only literary pieces, even for composition items, not only for grammar and literary pieces, but also for composition items like notice writing, letter writing also in time to come.
So
when
we can
discuss
write
them.
any 5 of them?
Not any 5. Let it be first 5 because, of the fact that I need to achieve the uniformity. The rest can be used in the second lot and the third lot as and when we take up the discussion, because this is not going to be ended in one single session or two sessions. We need to take up the discussion maybe for live practice in time to come as well, preferably while revising the topics before the examination. I mean the unit test 1. So in the unit test 1, which is going to be in the month of October, you have this topic as well. So my point is, let them be like that only, and we can just take one more lot for the revision purpose or for live practice purpose, instead of just having, if at all you choose any 5 questions of your choice, probably while revising those might have already been done by you, so you may not find it very interesting or very lively. So that's my concern. It did not mean that you should not do it. You can, but that's my concern. And so I instructed the first 5. Okay? Right. Fine. Thank you. And so you just keep it as a notebook work, first 5, as per the instruction. But I just received a few concerns from the students. Sir, do we need to put a separate notebook? No, no need. Just start it from the back side of the notebook. See, you are writing the notebook work from the front side like you do it normally. Now just start the composition items, grammar items, reading comprehension passages, all that from the back side as suggested earlier. So you guys started answering reading comprehension from the back side of it. Just continue with that. Put the heading, continue with the same direction. Okay. I hope this is clear. I just wanted to address that commonly, so I did not reply them to those students who asked me individually. Hopefully this is clear. You don't have to actually, even if you put a fresh notes or in new notes, it's not wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. But why? When you are able to accommodate everything there and then. It's a long notebook, and hopefully that would be enough. So no need to waste any other notes or put, and sometimes moreover, if you put 2 or 3 notebooks, I know that, in front of, before the examinations especially, some notebooks would be missing. Why the hell is that? Why should we invite that kind of things at all? Just put one notes only when it is enough or sufficient. Right. So that's the instruction. Hopefully that is clear. Now, yesterday we just stopped at one thing. This one. All right. Now, did you guys work it out anytime? Did you find the time to work it out?
Yes, sir, I
Hopefully
did.
you must have found some time to work it out. Now, I could just make some sense out of it, but let's discuss what we can just do in that. So fine. Who has done that one?
Sir, I tried, but I thought one or two words are missing
Okay,
over
okay.
here.
We will just discuss that to make it meaningful as well.
Yes, sir, same here.
Okay, fine. Now, please just let us know what we can do. Now, please come up with your with your answers first. Not about two girls. I asked each and everybody. When the girls are just putting it forward, confidently, why not you? And see, you must have seen me going wrong. I never feel shame. I never. Then why are you feeling shame? I don't understand. Do you think that we know everything? Do you think that you know nothing? Please just stick to this concept. If somebody says like this, he is the most foolish man in the world. If somebody says that I know everything, he's the most foolish man, in my view. Nobody can say that, because if you know something huge, that can just be a drop in the vast, huge ocean, just like that. Now, my point, there is a theory that works out here. I'll discuss that one, but please just leave all those feelings and come up with your perceptions, views, and opinions, or whatever the work that you have done. Well, first, who is that girl who said that? Yes, she has done, but some words are missing. There are two girls. Let's discuss them first. Okay, first, now please just tell me. I would like to highlight it. Go ahead, please. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes.
I thought I was out of the class. Sorry. Yep, go ahead.
So we thought of mustard oil and olive oil
Wait. Mustard oil.
are the
Okay.
olive oil are
Mustard
one of
oil
the
and
olive oil.
just one moment. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one, right? Just give me a moment. Let me highlight that.
Sir,
one.
just
Mustard
draw a
oil,
line now. Highlighting is difficult,
what?
I suppose.
Mustard oil. Then
And olive oil.
and okay, wait. And olive oil. Olive oil. Where is olive? Yeah, here. Olive
Yes,
oil.
sir, here
Right?
are one of the
Or
Are-
one of the. Okay.
no,
Or
are among one of the
Or
among one
among.
of the
very good. Very good. Very good. Or among one of the. Okay, wait. One of the
best oils.
best. Okay, best oils. Sorry, this one not to be highlighted. Yeah, best oils.
Best oils.
Or
And
among
then
the.
this is the problem. There is no
Okay.
another and. We cannot say best and healthiest.
Okay. So, okay, fine. I got your point. Right.
I could not use the second best. Otherwise,
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, you might be right only. Very nice. So here the problem, the crux of the problem lies in having two bests, one problem, and having only one and that too with etc. So this is where we are getting confused.
Sir,
Okay.
also such is also there.
Such can be done, yeah. Such can be included, but the problem lies here only. See, Uh,
So
okay.
the problem is if we are using such, we need to have as.
Such animals are of this type. Haven't you ever heard a sentence having this kind of such people I don't like?
Yeah.
Like this, you can use. Such is not a problem, but the main concern is best having two times and being only once. Okay. So let me just no, I could have done that yesterday itself, but there is no point in straight away going to it. So I'm just brainstorming that one. I too did not get best picture. That's why I doubt there might be wrong. There might be. I'm not sure. There might be, because I tried it, in 9 to 10 different ways, seriously, but I could not get the best sense of it. And it is a very simple task. If I just scroll it up, we can get the answer. And but I'm not a kind of guy who can just straight away go to the answer and get the job done. Let's see. Let's try. Anyhow, everything is an experience. We are not wasting each other's time. We are learning something out of it. Like we have just learned that there is a possibility with such as well. See, upon my research, I too thought like as must be there, after such when we want to use it. But then when I tried different permutations and combinations, I just remembered this structure. Yes, such people, such moments, like this we can have the structure. But let's try to fit that somewhere. So there is a possibility. Do you get that my point, guys? Now I don't want to discourage you guys, but let's not do that straight away. Okay, that's my view. So, okay, now you have a problem. Okay, fine, leave it out. Now the other girl who tried it, let's see. Then I'll come up with my version. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Let me just erase.
I actually, I framed a sentence yesterday itself, like we discussed it, but we missed 2 to 3 words. I couldn't figure anything after that. Like I was trying, but the best I could come up with was that. Yeah.
Wait. Guys, I'm really sorry. I just got out of the class because of the exhaustion of data. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I was also Yeah, I've also been facing some network issues since morning, and in order to present the screen, also I'm struggling. Uh, Luckily, let's see if I'm able to present the screen this time. Just a moment. Just a moment. Has anybody left the class during my leaving? Have you guys noticed anybody leaving the class thinking
No,
that
sir.
English? Sure. Okay, fine. Thank you. Can you see the laptop screen, please? Can you guys see that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. Okay, let's move ahead. Sorry, I was
Sir,
just simply asking you in order to respond. And then I doubted
sir,
myself as I was out of the class. Yeah, go ahead, please.
sir, Kailash Rabari has left the class when you were out,
Okay. You might have thought that the class was ended, but it's
and
so very
one more
unsure.
with him also.
Who is that?
I didn't saw the name of the another one, but
Okay,
yes,
fine.
one more with Kailash Rabari.
Okay. I'll have it later. Thank you. Thanks for the information. Now, see, who is that, please? Is that Naman informed or Shirsh? Okay, fine. Right. Let's see. Yeah, the other girl. Please go ahead.
So, fine,
Yeah.
I'll repeat my yesterday's sentence again, like if we could improvise it on a bit.
Yeah. We have something to do with that as well in my version as well. Okay, please go ahead.
Mustard oil,
Yeah, mustard will not go alone. It should be with oil only. Okay, mustard oil. And oh, sorry. What was that sentence? Mustard oil.
one second. We don't have is right. That was also a mistake made by me yesterday.
But no need actually. There is or. You can have plural. I told you
Like,
no.
no, I framed it like mustard oil, one of the best oils, such as olive oil, is the healthiest
Such
oil
as
among them.
okay. There. Yeah. I was also overpowered with that thought that such should always take is as after it. No, after listening to your sentence, but the sentence structure seemed to be right actually. Somehow, it was making some sense. By the way, who was the other girl? Okay. What was the sentence that you just said yesterday? Mustard oil and olive oil.
Must, yeah.
No, mustard oil and
Okay, there were two of them basically.
Mhm.
One of them was mustard oil, one of the best oils, such
Mhm.
as olive oil, is the
Mhm.
healthiest oil among them, which sounded quite wrong to me.
That's okay. That's okay. Fine. So the other girl, please. I think there is one more girl who did it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
just
I
go ahead
was.
with your version. Let's listen to
Um,
that.
sir,
We'll consider
my
yours as well.
version.
Right.
Yes, sir, my version was olive oil and mustard oil
Olive oil and mustard oil
are among
or among, okay,
um, one of the best
or among one of the best, okay, one of the best
oils.
oils. Sorry, oils.
Now there
Sorry.
again I get stuck with and there are two bests.
Yeah, that is where I'm also getting stuck. Okay, let's see. Okay, best oils. Okay, fine. Now listen. After trying different permutations and combinations, I could not fit, two bests, like she has said, two bests anywhere. It is not giving me scope, but it's giving me the scope to use, such without as. That's what I could get out of different permutations and combinations. See, I think I can put such oils. Let's say such oils. It's possible. It's possible. But I could not fit the no best two times anywhere. Now my version is mustard oil uh, and olive oil, etc. No, wait. Mustard oil and olive oil, etc. Yeah, etc. Or one of the, okay, let me just erase everything and show you how I can just get this done. The home task paper is missing. That's the problem.
Sir, may I suggest something?
Yes, why not? Please go ahead.
Like what I was trying yesterday was that mustard oil, comma olive oil, because and no, it can be used in mustard oil, comma olive oil, etc. Are one of the best and healthiest among oils.
Yeah, that is there is a possibility.
So again, the
there is
best
a
was not used.
Yeah, such is not
Yeah,
used.
such, best, all these words were not used.
Oh,
there.
one moment. You can make the sense. Oh, wait. I got it. Wait. Please just do not disturb my perception. Please come again, Kashish. Please come again. I got that point. Yeah.
Mustard oil,
Comma,
olive oil.
comma is not
Like
seen
that,
there.
sir.
Okay, let's say it is there. Okay, let's say mustard oil, comma olive oil, then, okay, then,
etc.
one moment. Somebody is seeking permission. Let me just permit. Okay. Yeah, olive oil. Sorry, mustard oil, and then olive oil. Yeah, go ahead. Olive oil. Okay, mustard oil, comma olive oil. Okay, fine. Next. You said etc., right? Didn't you? You said etc. Mustard oil, comma olive oil, etc. You said like that, right? Or didn't you? Kashish, are you there?
So I guess she's having
Sir,
network issues.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, now you are very clear and audible. You are audible and
Yes,
very
I
clear.
said etc. sir.
That's what I'm just asking for the confirmation. So etc. Okay, fine. Yeah. So mustard oil, comma olive oil, etc. Okay, fine. Then
R.
surely verb should come. Yeah, or yeah, you're on the good track. I think. Please just do not deviate from the previous thought, because I too got that, but I could not put that here.
One of
Olive
the
oil.
best.
One of the best. Okay, wait. One of the best. Okay. Okay, best.
And healthiest.
Okay, now you are using hand. Okay, right. And the healthiest. Oh, sorry. Unhealthiest. Okay, healthiest
Among oils.
among oils. Okay, oils. Right.
So now I'm left with 3 words which I could not use in this sentence.
Okay. You put such oils. Let's say such oils. Okay, fine. One done. The best. You can even use the in front of healthiest. You said that the best and the unhealthiest. Instead, we can put the best and the healthiest.
Okay.
Right? Please. Now best is left, right? One moment. Best is left. Where can we just fit that one? Best. Okay, just read out the whole sentence with these changes once.
Mustard oil, olive oil, etc. are one of the best and the healthiest among such oils.
It's making some sense, I think. Just one moment. Please just tell me this sentence. Mustard
oil, comma olive oil,
Yep.
etc.
Right.
are one of the best and the healthiest among such oils.
Mustard oil, olive oil, etc. are one of the best and the healthiest among such oils. Yes, it is making sense. But there's one more best, right? Have we used all the words?
One
Except
best
the
is
second
left.
best?
But sir,
Yeah.
sir, It
One
sort
moment,
of
one moment.
doesn't make sense in the last line. Among such oils, which such oils?
Like if you see the upper paragraph, no, I think
One
it could
moment, one
make
moment.
some
Let me speak.
sense.
Let me speak actually. See, sometimes you can't expect the reference within that sentence itself. Probably it might be a part of, as you see here, it might be a part of, uh, uh, the previous sentence or the previous paragraph, which we cannot feel. Okay. Even while using the also, let me just find this somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, okay. Let's see this one. Fast foods, they're making children or staple diet. See, children are making fast foods their staple diet. Mm, okay, if this is the sentence, no, not that one, not that one.
So the basic thing is, if we see the answers, it seems like it's a continuous paragraph written.
Yeah. It's a continuous. All these are related ones only. All these four here,
Yes,
here, and
but
here also. Oh, sorry. Here also. So probably that reference could have been from the previous sentence.
yes,
Okay.
but I considered the previous sentence. Then also it didn't make that much sense. That's why I asked. I considered the previous three
Previously.
sentences.
Okay. Then okay, let's have only no plant food contains cholesterol. Only animals manufacture it. No, second one, all dry foods are free from cholesterol. Are free from cholesterol.
And so
And
So
are
so are
oil
the
seeds are.
oil seeds.
oil
And
seeds.
so oil seeds are. Then any oil made from plants is free from cholesterol always.
So such oils means plant oils here.
Yes, you can just
Okay.
maybe out of that one. So you can just understand in that way. Actually, there used to be a kind of exercises during the CBSE sample papers like this only. And so if you fail in one in framing one sentence, you will just fail in the other as well. It's a double failure. But you can't expect that there will be sentences with correlation like this. There might be individual sentences also which have no connection.
But usually, like whenever there are 4 to 5 sentences, we see some connection in them. Mostly, a pattern is
I
observed.
just completely agree. I just completely agree. Like here also you see some. I see. I completely agree. But sometimes you may even expect. Please just bear that in your mind as well. Okay. Now coming back to this one, where can we fit the second? See, have we used all the words except the second best in this sentence? Are you pretty sure? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sir, are there two the's like the thing, or is there
Yeah, you
none?
can use grammatically. It is right only.
Like,
If you
Pariti, there
delete
are
Sir,
only
this
two
one,
it would
those.
be like the best mustard oil, comma olive oil, etc. are one of the best and healthiest among such oils. The second best can be used that way.
But there
okay,
is no
just
second the no to use.
No,
one
that is
moment,
what
one
I'm
moment.
saying. If there's one, then we can
What
just
does she?
use here.
No, what she meant is removing the here and adding the best in front of. Sorry,
Yes,
adding
sir.
the in front of the second best. That is what your thought is, right?
Yes, sir, because one of the best and healthiest also
Yeah.
sounds cool without the other though.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. But it gives a different sense. I'll explain that. But before that, you please just replace the second best somewhere. I mean,
Um,
best somewhere.
best.
Mustard oil. Uh-huh.
Yeah, like in the starting only, the best mustard oil, comma olive oil, etc. Something of that sort.
Wait, let me see this permutation, this combination. The best mustard oil, olive oil, etc. are one of the best and healthiest. No. It's not making any sense here. So, right. So, okay. Are you pretty sure that we have not missed any words except the second best? Please just have a cross check.
Yes, I'm quite sure.
1 second, I'll just check.
If such being the case, surely second best might be an additional one because you are not able to fit it anywhere. That's for sure. Sorry. Just have a cross check. Yes. Got that? Clear? Did not miss any word?
Sir, just a second.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. Here, one more best should be used. I'll tell you the difference. So, 14.
In
One.
the sentence, we have 15 of them. So I think we're missing one.
Yeah, that is the second best I'm talking about.
No. Apart from that, because we counted them as 13, no.
Yeah, one more the has been added, after and.
Okay.
In front of healthiest. So now 14, right?
After the healthiest, then it
Yeah,
only the
one,
best
two,
is missing.
three.
Yes, sir, only best is missing.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, forget about this one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, number is matching. So except second best. So, see, now let's understand the difference. If you do not use the in front of it, it gives one meaning. If you use the in front of healthiest, it gives one more meaning. To make you understand the meaning of it first, please just watch this one. I saw is the principal and English teacher. Okay, let's see. Teacher. Now see, the principal and English teacher. Number 1. Number 2, the principal and the English teacher. See, please just look at these two. This is one. Can somebody please just take a guess about the meaning of these two expressions? Then this thing will be clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was the same person.
You got the point, man. So here, the principal is also an English teacher. That means both English teacher and principal is one, only one human being. But here, when you use the in front of the post the second time, it means he is a different man, he is a different man. So, two human beings here. Like this, the best and the healthiest means, so it is said to be the best, and in terms of health also it is the best one. So two different items being clubbed here. But if you just remove the in front of the second healthiest, you know what happens? Best and healthiest means it is clubbed and giving only one sense, which must not be there. So here referring to two. So we can feel that D must be there. So I cannot remove that one as it makes some sense. It referred to two. Why two? Here also plural. So it is making some sense out of it. Such oils will also look fine. Now, this is what we can do best. Let's take that guess. Yes,
In this one, the best and the healthiest. In both the cases, both of these oils have to be the best and the healthiest.
exactly.
So how do we change the meaning if we remove the also?
Simple. If you just change that one, now it refers to one thing. like I said, it becomes one. Two different specifications would not be there. Instead, there will be only one specification, best and healthiest.
Like
It's
it's
just
a
like
good oil
well
in
and
terms
good,
of
well and
health.
good. Huh? Pardon?
No. Like the meaning could changes the best and healthiest, meaning that it is a good thing in terms of health. But when
That's
we
what I
add,
said in the beginning. When you use the second one, I mean the in front of healthiest, it refers to health, and it refers to best brand or best, in terms of affordability, all that. But if you just remove that one, it becomes one, best and healthiest. So it combinedly one, not referring to two specific items, two specific features. It's just clubbed in it. Maybe we can say healthiest at extreme. That's it. Healthiest at extreme. That's it. Best and healthiest. That's it. And moreover, if you see grammatically, it looks a bit incorrect. We are referring to two and two different features. Moreover, in the given sentence, we have one the in pending as well. So what has prompted me to use it here for sure is, as there are two and referring there are two these. So I was tempted to use that one. I was prompted, not tempted, prompted to use that one. I hope this is clear. Best and healthiest. It's just like if you just combine that one, it simply refers to well and good, something of that sort. Something at extreme, that's it. But if you use the in front of both the superlative adjectives, it refers to two different specifications. Okay? Best in terms of brand, price, etc. Best in terms of health. I mean, healthiest. Healthiest means extreme, good at its best in terms of health. Like that. Hopefully that is clear. Now, so one best is impending. One last time, you guys try to have a check. Can we fit it somewhere?
Yes, sir, but we cannot fit the other best.
No, that's what actually prompting me. But when we see the second best is also being used in the answer, then I have to feel shameful of myself and yourself as well. So I just don't want to give it up. Okay.
So it is used in the answer.
No, I have not seen. I don't
Okay.
want to see as well. I don't want to see it as well. But one final time, let's see. Before we just admit our defeat. Let's see. Mustard oil, olive oil, etc. One of the best and the healthiest among such oils. This is making a far better sense. So I think we can go ahead. Such oils are the best. Such oils. No. This was also tried. No. Okay. Now let's be ready. Either to feel shameful of ourselves. Mustard oil, olive oil, etc. Fine. Or one of the best and the healthiest among such oils. Shall we just see the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me see. Okay. Olive oil. Oh, we went wrong. Oh, wait. Olive oil, mustard oil, etc. Or one among the best and the healthiest.
the same.
Sir, I'm not feeling shameful but angry right
Why?
now.
Why?
Because only one best is used here.
Sir,
Hey, you're right. Wait.
sir, it was,
I
sir,
was
we
so
were
right.
correct.
I was so right.
Best is
As
extra,
soon as
it
I
is
saw this one,
error.
wait. As soon as I saw this one, I lost my heart and I could not notice that there is only one best. Wait. Only
That
one
is
best.
why.
Yeah? Just
I
one
am-
best.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me just
Sorry,
bring it up.
sentence is right.
Wait. Okay. Olive oil, mustard oil, etc. are one of the best and the healthiest among such oils. Yes, of course. Only one best is used. Then that is a printer's devil. Damn. Yes, just made us.
We spent a whole day
Damn, it
thinking
was-
about two bests.
No, see, thinking will never leave you, will never kill your time. It sharpens our mind. It's for sure. Okay, and I believe in that robustly. That means very strongly. But olive oil and mustard oil. What was the sentence that we framed? Mustard oil and olive oil, right? I think we can just accept that one as well because it's etc. It's not a structured combination with using and. So mustard oil can also be in the beginning, even just before olive oil. So that's not a big mistake. Yeah, yeah, we are one. We have one. We should declare it like that. Okay. Now that there's the printer's devil here, second best. That really just racked my brain.
To
Okay.
conclude,
Hopefully
sir, we are not feeling shameful but angry and stupid.
that's okay. That's okay. Don't feel anger. Don't feel anger. Okay. Just calm down. Calm down. No issue. But yeah, you can make that adjustment. No issues because it is. But one more doubt is that there's no comma being used. Had there been a comma, we could not have wasted this much time. Seriously, because there could have been a clarity. That's what I too feel. I had this option in my mind, but as I could not see a comma. Earlier, we could see commas. See, if you just, excuse me, if you just look at, oh my God, wait. If you can just look at this one, comma is here. Can you see that? Comma, here. See, commas are given like this. Now, if they are not given, this kind of ambiguity will crop up and eat up our mind and time and everything. Can you just see that one? I don't know why I'm not able to highlight this one. It got frozen. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Just a moment. I'm not going to highlight that one. But can you see that comma being used here?
Yes, sir.
So,
But there
are
are
there-
two words, no. There were no
Wait.
words with comma in the fourth one. That is why maybe.
Are you serious? What about this one? Cholesterol. Are there two words or one word? Here, cholesterol.
Okay, yeah, like they've given a comma here as well.
Yes, there must be. Otherwise, sometimes it may happen like this, but we have to pay a heavy price like this. Anyhow, not feeling shameful on myself as well, but we slightly went wrong. Instead of olive oil, mustard oil, we could have it mustard oil and olive oil. But even then, it is accepted because it is not a combined expression with and or as well as or something of that sort, so that the rank will not get changed. But here, it is separated by a comma. Ram, comma, Raj or Raj, comma, Ram will not make no difference. And I don't think it proves to be a big difference. But anyhow, mistake is a mistake. So let's just change this one into olive oil and mustard oil. Mustard oil, olive oil, etc. are also accepted. No worries. Okay, guys. I think we are done with this one. Now, do one thing. Make the best use of today's class and try to do them on your own. But every sentence is a new thing, please. Sometimes you might be very sure about these sentences if they are short. But if you come up with a lengthier sentence, it takes a bit of time. And so you need to be organized, patient, logical, and knowledgeable to get it done. So please just ensure all those qualities in you to get the best out of this. So first 5 should be done in the notebook and send it to me before Sunday. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
wrap up this session? The time is also up.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much, guys. Please just
Thank
do
you,
not
sir.
leave. Let me have the attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it gets ready.
By the way, sir, it was fun, huh?
Absolutely. See, some monotonous classes must be broken up. This is also a very nice thing, to have. Right. Thank you so much, guys. It's ready. It seems to me. Now you may leave.